Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making satisfying sounds with this dimple poppet. The first thing we're gonna do in it is put slime in here. You have to mix it up right there, and then just put it in there nice. And then you put this there, and that. And then it'll make like farting sounds, but it is satisfying. Step number 2 is you can put the slime in his body like that, like so. And this is kind of scary for him, but see, and then you could just do this. And the step 3 is to put like small pieces of slime there, and then I'll tell you what to do on the next part. Okay, 1 second. So, like, this is going to be, like, the satisfying thing anybody could ever do. But, yeah. Okay, almost done. Just have to do 3 more layers left. And then we're going to squish all of that. We're going to squish all that, and then it's going to make a fart noise. For some reason it looks like something from Raising D on the show. That show is kind of scary and cool at the same time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. And then I'm going to show you what will happen next. Bye, guys.